Hi, my name is Varun and this is my 112 term project. It is a football manager application that allows a soccer coach to change his or her formation and various other tactical aspects of a soccer team. We start off with 11 starters, right there, and 5 substitutes. One can add their own players with the player number, and it gets added to the list. One can clear the lineup, if one chooses to, and then add their players. If no number is picked, a random number between 0 to 100 is chosen. For simplicity's sake, I will load back my initial players. One can pick a formation for these players to go in, and they snap into that formation. When in formation, one can swap players with each other, swap them with a substitute, or put a substitute in for a player. One can modify a formation by clicking Modify, and save it, and it gets saved. And as we can see, it's still there. One can input their own formation, just any number that adds up to 10, since there are 10 outfield players, and have these formations. One can delete a formation if one chooses to, and it disappears, as such. And when in formation, one can draw lines to make various illustrations, delete the lines line by line, or delete them all. If one starts drawing a line at a player, it tells the player where to move, and the player will follow the path. Speed of motion depends on how fast you draw the line. Click moves players, and it animates and moves those players. You can reset the movement and move them again if one chooses to. After making all changes, one can save everything to a text file as such by inputting a name of the text file and clicking Save to File. To illustrate that we can load, one can clear the lineup, delete all lines, get out of draw mode, and then load the same file, test3, and there we have our players that still move and all our formation that we had earlier. Thank you. That is the gist of my 112 term project, and hope you have a good day.